Hi there, I'm Scott from Schedulo, and I just wanted to tell you about a new feature that we've included in the latest update to our virtual meetings capabilities. If you haven't used virtual meetings before, this is where Schedulo allows you to schedule and dispatch work where you can use tools like Zoom, Meetings, or Google Meet to actually facilitate the meeting virtually rather than in person. Our latest updates to virtual meeting means you can now retract meetings that have been created when the customer cancels, or indeed the work is cancelled for any other reason, from Schedulo. So without further ado, let me show you how this works. So here we are in Schedulo, and you can see I've got a job here to provide some therapy to a sample customer of mine, Renee Summers. We've got virtual meetings already installed. If you're looking to get virtual meetings installed and up and running, please do reach out to us. We can assist you with that. But for this demonstration, I'm assuming that it's all up and running. So I'm going to go jump into my menu here and jump into virtual meetings. As you can see, I've already got this set up to work with Google Meet. As I did mention, this does work with Teams or Zoom if that's your selected tool. But the update is around the automation area. So whereas previously you could provide the criteria for which a meeting should be set up in Zoom or Team or Google. And now what you can do is also provide criteria of when a job is cancelled, that you also want that meeting to be retracted. And you can provide the criteria here as to when that should take place. Typically, of course, this will happen when a job is cancelled, but you may have your own criteria that you'll use as to when you should withdraw a meeting link or not. But in this case, I've got to say if the job is cancelled and my remote consultation field is also true, then I would like you to please remove that meeting from Google Meet. So now for a bit of a demo. So I'm going to go back to my treatment here for Renee, and I'm going to go ahead and allocate Alfred. So Alfred is now allocated, and I'll go ahead and dispatch that to him. And now that's all done, if we refresh our screen, you'll see that Google has provisioned a meeting for this virtual meeting, which it has. Great. And to show you what happens now when you cancel, the meeting will now be removed from Google Meet and also removed from the job in question. So there you have it. That's a quick update around a new feature to virtual meetings. Please do reach out or leave a comment below if you have any questions, and we'll get back to you. All right, see you for now.